Hello viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. Today we'll see in this video. Lovely viewer will see in this video stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. So you will see in this video top 50 plus attractive and trending landscaping ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
One of the most absurd.
So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. You will see in this videos attractive and trending stylish landscaping designs. So guys, I made suggested just keep on watching this videos till the end. We will see your top stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decoration designs. So these are my favorite collections. One of the most modern home decorations ideas. Trending landscaping ideas. Modern home decorations ideas. Viewers, watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. We will see in your top stylish and trending home decorations ideas. Viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. These are my favorite collections that I'm gonna share with in this video till the we will all see in your attractive and trending stylish landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy your stylish landscaping ideas, different stylish shaped ideas in 2025. So watch my full videos and your attractive and trending stylish landscaping designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Marvelous and stylish unique home decorations, ideas, landscaping designs. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos. We will see your top stylish and trending modern landscaping ideas. Modern home decorations ideas. Garden decoration designs. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. We'll see all attractive and trending landscaping ideas.